7 most effective tricks for anxiety disorder problems. Anxiety disorder is a common mental health condition that can be treated effectively. There are various approaches that can help you manage anxiety, including Number 1. Therapy. Psychotherapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, can help you learn coping strategies and tools to manage your anxiety. CBT focuses on changing negative thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to anxiety. Number 2. Medication. Your healthcare provider may prescribe medications, such as antidepressants or anti-anxiety drugs, to help manage your anxiety symptoms. These medications can help reduce anxiety and improve your mood. Number 3. Lifestyle changes. Making positive changes to your lifestyle can help reduce anxiety. Regular exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep can all contribute to reducing anxiety symptoms. Number 4. Relaxation techniques. Techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and meditation can help you calm down and reduce anxiety. Number 5. Avoiding triggers. Identify situations or events that trigger your anxiety and avoid them when possible. For example, if crowds make you anxious, avoid crowded places. Number 6. Time management. Managing your time effectively can help reduce stress and anxiety. Set priorities, make to-do lists, and avoid overcommitting yourself. Number 7. Social support. Talking to friends or family members can help you feel less alone and more supported. Joining a support group can also be helpful. Remember that everyone's experience with anxiety is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to talk to a healthcare professional about your symptoms and get a proper diagnosis before trying to treat your anxiety on your own. With the right approach and mindset, you can manage your anxiety and improve your quality of life.